Hi guys, welcome to our new channel online help earning. So guys, today talking about how to earn more money with CpaGrip. So guys, too many people earn daily money with CpaGrip. See there have the live public chat. See there too many people they are chatting and he will earn started these people earn $46, and also these people also earn the almost $21 deals. People, oh my god, these people earn almost 517 dollars. Also there have too many people earn very good earning there. Also today these people and this guy earn $3. Also this guy earn today almost there I see they're down the $1 that these people today almost on $3. So they have live, guys, they have live. Too many people earn from there. Okay, too many people, see they have live chatting. Too many people also earn live there. So just create account and you can earn more money from CpaGrip. So guys, go down and check their have offer. Okay, edit offer. So there have also category of earning. There have also you a short link and you get click and you can also earning. So I show you the earning of categories. Offer tool, check the go the my offer, click the offer tool, go the my offer. When you go your offer, there have see your offer have very offer. There have too much offer there. See there have one offer, the get offer, get a 500 colors gift card today. Okay, so 500 color win a 500 gift card. Okay, how will get the 500 this offer with Australia? So enter your information right now. Okay, so how whatever you do, click the link. Okay, click the link and push the link and you can get also 500 colors gift card today. Okay, so whatever this link you click and go Facebook and Instagram or WhatsApp, post the link, and whenever these people come and show this link, every click like there have you can ever take make the click, and also these people sign up for everything. You can also earn more money. There have see too many people. This is new my proof, and so this new offer you can earn also, guys. Don't waste time, you can earn also there have also this offer also. Check email zip submit. Okay, so this offer also nice, guys. Just link, click the link, copy the link and go to Facebook and post. These people sign up the Gmail and zip submit everything. So you can receive also, guys, $2 per Gmail zip submit receive. Example $2. There have also 2.0. This one is best offer, best offer. Just zip submit get $6. Wow, this big offer. Also there have also country, which country you need the offer. There have country also there they says check the mobile install download categories. Also a free survey. Also email service also. Okay, I see the mobile download apps. Okay, you see the apps download. This one also mobile install. So click the link and click the link, and these apps anyone download, okay, you can receive the $5. Wow, excellent. See this one, this only allow on the iOS mobile device, means iOS mobile allow that download this apps and you can receive also. Wow, excellent guys. So you also can earn more money from CpaGrip, doing email submit. Okay, there is more of category. So next time I show you next time inshallah, next video earning. So thanks for watching, bye bye, see you.